Navigate to this link. Click Login using your Bradford College Microsoft account. This will allow you to log in with your team's details and avoid having to verify your account. Alternatively, you can register and verify from your college email and then return to this page to log in. Click the blue button to begin your bursary application. Check to make sure the personal details are correct. Select which campus you will be studying at. You will be asked a series of questions to determine how you will travel to college, your household circumstances, and support you may require during your course. You will be asked to upload evidence of household income. Please upload the 3 most recent Universal Credit Statements as PDFs, or 3 most recent monthly wage slips, and / or visa/asylum documents. You will be advised on what evidence is required, depending on the answers to the questions on the previous page. Tip: evidence must be dated within the last 3 months and must be in PDF format. We can't accept screenshots. You will then have the opportunity to provide bank details. These must be in your own name. You cannot make payments to third parties. Check that all the personal details are correct and that you are satisfied with your answers. Confirm that you agree and type your full name to sign your application. After submitting, please check emails regularly for updates on the status of your application, including requests for further evidence or confirmation of approval. If you are unable to submit your evidence or have a query about your bursary, please contact studentfunding@bradfordcollege.ac.uk. Please ensure that your full name and student number are included in your email.